Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix GCash app game can't open. So as you can see right here, it's opened, but then it will close again. That's because it does not have the necessary app permissions. So what you actually need to do is go ahead and just close this app, hold right here on GCash, okay? And then click on app info, click on permissions, and I want you to grant all of the permissions that it actually requires. So granted all of these permissions, and then I want you to toggle off developer mode as well. So we'll turn all of these on. That is what actually is causing the issue. So you just do it for the last ones. Let me just finish those. There you go. I have allowed all of the permissions. Now let's go back to settings again. And then we will go ahead and toggle off developer mode. Okay. So once you scroll all the way down, click on System, scroll down again, click on Developer Options, and just toggle off Developer Options. You'll need to restart your device to change this setting. But after that, as you can see, that is literally what they're asking us to do. And after that, it will work. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.